right, so we're going to talk about a few loads that we bring in-house. Currently in-house, we have Dollar General, we have Home Depot, we have Bed Bath & Beyond, and we have Amazon Medium Program. So we're going to describe a couple loads. Dollar General loads we bring in-house. They're always the biggest pallets we bring in. They're 8 foot tall. Dollar General's going to have every category. Every category they sell, it's all going to be brand new, it's all going to be shelf full. High piece count pallets, you know, there's at least 800 pieces per pallet at a conservative number. Some of these pallets will have thousands, 2,000, 3,000 pieces on it. It all depends on the size of the pieces. What I tell people about Dollar General, if you're getting into resale, never had any experience whatsoever, the price of Dollar General pallets is $5.75. You can take these and do a yard sale on the weekend and make your money back and be in a profit on these. Dollar General, not Five Below, not Dollar Store, because a lot of people get Dollar General confused with that. Five Below, everything's under $5. Dollar Tree, everything's under $1. Dollar General has actually stuff up to like 150 bucks. Most of the stuff in Dollar General falls in the $10 to $25 range, $5 to $25 range. Some of the higher end stuff will be like your burner cell phones, the one where you punch the card in. The phones usually in these loads, someone's always pulling a case or 2 cases of them phones. Dollar General is about the safest bet you're gonna have is this pallet right here, because there's so many pieces. If you sold everything at $1, you're probably gonna double your money. You'll definitely not lose money. You're gonna find some better stuff. I've had customers that have made $3,000 or $4,000 profit off one of these pallets. I've had customers that have made $300. But Dollar General is your safest bet. If you're getting into resale, you're not gonna find online product on here. Not a lot of online products through Dollar General, but you're gonna find great flea market stuff, great everyday use stuff, great yard sale stuff. It's all gonna be brand new, and it's probably one of the cheapest pallets we bring in.